Eid 2026 is almost here, and if you still don't know how to style your hijab, don't worry. Today I'm showing you 10 easy, quick, and stunning hijab styles you can do in minutes. Let's start. 1. Pin your hijab snugly under your chin with one side longer, then wrap the long end loosely around your neck for a breezy, draped effect. Tuck the final end into your outfit or pin it at the shoulder for a perfectly polished and sweet finish. 2. Secure your hijab under your chin with one side longer than the other to create a cozy, balanced base. Wrap the long end loosely around your neck and tuck it neatly into your top for a soft, flowy look that's sweet as can be. 3. Pin the shawl under the chin with one side longer, then secure the long side to one temple to beautifully frame the face. Cherry blossom next, lift that long tail and drape it over the head, letting the scalloped edges fall into soft, airy layers. It's a quick, elegant way to highlight that stunning embroidery. To achieve this Arabic-style look, the shawl is pinned at one side of the head to create a soft, face-framing layer. The longer section is then lifted and wrapped snugly over the head, pinned at the back to create a turban-like volume. Finally, the remaining fabric is draped over the shoulder for a flowy, elegant finish. 5. Pin the shawl under the chin, leaving one side longer than the other. Secure the long side to the temple to create a neat, face-framing fold. Finally, take the remaining long tail and drape it over the opposite shoulder for a flowy and polished finish. It's a super sweet way to show off a soft pink palette. 6. To achieve this elegant look, place the shawl with one side longer than the other. Pull both ends back and pin them securely behind the neck for a neat, face-framing base. Finally, take the longer end and drape it loosely over the opposite shoulder, creating a flowy and sophisticated finish. 7. To wrap this hijab, start by placing the scarf over your head with one side significantly longer than the other, then pin it securely under your chin. Take the longer end, wrap it loosely over the top of your head, and secure it at the temple with a pin to keep it from sliding. Finally, adjust the fabric at your chest and shoulders to create soft, neat layers that provide full coverage. 8. To wrap this style, place the pink scarf over your head with one side longer than the other and pin it firmly under your chin. Take the long end, wrap it loosely over the top of your head to create a draped effect, and use a small pin at the side to keep it from slipping. Finally, adjust the layers around your neck and shoulders for a clean finish and rest your sunglasses on top for a stylish touch. 9. To wrap this hijab, place the black shawl over your head with one side significantly longer than the other and pin it securely at the back of your head. Take the long side, wrap it once around your neck, and bring it back to the front, pinning it to the side to create a layered, graceful drape. Finally, adjust the fabric across your chest for full coverage and a neat, elegant finish. 10. To wrap this hijab style, place the brown scarf over your head with one side significantly longer than the other and pin it securely under your chin. Take the longer end, wrap it loosely over the top of your head to create a layered effect, and use pins at the temples to keep the fabric from sliding. Finally, adjust the folds at the front and over your shoulders to ensure a neat and elegant finish. That's it. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.